If we were best friends, you would never have to go out on a walk alone again. And you could sit and pet me when your day's been rough. If I were your pup, if I were your pup, we could play tug of war, and I'd welcome you with barks each time you walk through the door. And when food falls on the floor, you bet that I'll clean it up. If I were your pup, if I were your pup, what a pair we would make.
I'm really glad we can be out here for her.
Yeah, me too. All right. Oh, so hard.
You sound like a piggy. You sound like a piggy.
Come here. Come here. Come back to me.
There.
Come here. Come back to me. Come back to me.
Okay.
Oh my god, you make the cutest little grunts.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not me.
I gotta see your muddy paws. I know. You're just so wiggly. You go all over the place. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see your paws?
Oh, she's cute. Come here, Rennie. Oh my gosh. You want to run? You want to run? You're so cute. Whoa, that was cool. That was a fun move, Rennie. I'll go get you. I think so.
Oh, I love your little squishy face. I love your little face. Down on Louise.
Oh.
Oh my god, listen to the story.
Uh-huh.
I know. Oh my god. He says, hi, look at you and Macy.
You like everybody.
So anyway, Levi shared it and stuff.
Aw.
I know, he was like,
Hey.
super picky.
You are so sweet.
Yeah, we'll do Remy first.
Remy. Good boy, Remy.
Good boy, Rem. Sorry. Come here. You were going to go in for one more meeting. Good girl. Good job, guys. Okay, come on. Good. Smell him. She hasn't smelled him yet. Yeah. Good. There we go. There we go. Yay! Good boy, Ray.
Good.
If I were your pup, we could eat all the treats, and I'd wake you up at 2 a.m. licking my feet. But soon you won't want to imagine your life without me.
Like, this is what I want. You like him? You like Remy? He's a good boy.
You two are cute together.
Remy says, I'm going to get all of you. Yeah, no. They get mad, then they go to them. Yeah. Absolutely. So go hello.
What a good girl.
Yay, good job, Miracle. I know.
Miracle, you're a good friend.
Good Miracle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, we're coexisting. Yay, that's better.
Good girl.
Yay. Miracle, you're such a good dog. Hey, Miracle.
If I were your pup, if I were best friend, if I
open. She's looking for that tiny piece of cheese right there on the
You
floor.
have a bad nose, girlfriend. Cash, have you offered her a treat?
What?
Have you offered her a treat? She's very gentle. These are big ones.
Come on. Come get on the
Bar?
Come on, can you sit with her? No, don't you eat it. It's not for you. I think she liked it. Ren, you like that bed, don't you? Oh my goodness, Rennie. Go for a little ride on it? Whee! Here's something else, Ren.
We won't climb, there's no squirrel we won't chase. I would love you, no
Roll out of your bed and I'll roll right out
if
of
I
it.
were your pup. I can't pay the rent, and I can't help with chores, but I promise I will love you like you've never been loved before.